Today we're going to go over the do-it-yourself topo kit from Wraplander. I'll tell you what's in the kit, what you need to install it, and how to install it. So stay tuned. Here's what you get in the box. You get a bunch of pre-cut lines. There's some slightly longer ones and some slightly shorter ones. And a bunch of pre-cut circles in two different shapes. I went ahead and peeled a few out to do the side of the trailer over there. For installation, all you need is an X-Acto knife or something to weed the vinyl out, a heat gun or the sun to set the adhesive, alcohol and water, and a rag to wipe off your surface. This is the general idea of what I wanted to do on the trailer. And this is what it looks like after I did it. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it around the back side too. And we'll show you the process on the other side. And I lost some of the installation videos, so this is how you install it. You just take the piece off, however long you want it to be. You start it where you want it. And then as you lay it down, you just pull it to one side and you can make little curves in any direction. And it's kind of cold today, so it doesn't bend quite as tight as it could. If it was warmer, but you get the idea. If you don't like that angle, you can easily peel it off. Do it again. Make a different curve. But I think you get the idea there. Once you heat it up, it's not going anywhere. These lines have been on here for several months now without any issues. Once you have everything looking how you want it, you can just slice the little end tails off with a razor blade. You can just turn on your heat gun, heat everything up, and then press it down firmly. Okay, I'm all done. You can see I left the back mostly open, but I tied the two sides together a little bit. It's up to you. You can keep it simple or make it as complicated as you like. I still have a ton of material left over from the car kit. So you could do multiple vehicles with one, or if you want to get super complicated, you can use it all. If you're interested in doing this yourself, I'll put a link to the product below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.